Today we're taking a look at the Bulldog Winch Powersports Series ATV winch. This ATV recovery winch is designed for recreation and light duty work applications. This would be perfect for a 350 to 500 cc sport quad and small utility quad 4x4s. It's recommended for ATVs with a maximum gross vehicle weight of 1,500 pounds. Rated line pull for this winch is 3,000 pounds. It features a 1.2 horsepower permanent magnet motor to deliver fast and safe line pulling. This motor is lighter and uses less current than a series wound motor, and it features the sealed motor and gearbox unit to keep the water out and prevent internal corrosion. We also have a sealed power unit with dual relays to transmit power from the vehicle battery to the winch motor, so it includes a 60 amp and 80 amp relay. It mounts with the included hardware, so everything you need for your installation is included. You get the hardware for mounting the fairlead to the winch plate. You get hardware for mounting the winch to the winch plate and for mounting the power unit near the ATV battery. And then you also get handlebar brackets for mounting the rocker switch to the ATV handlebars. We're also looking at the all-steel single-stage planetary gear train, which provides increased drum speed when compared to traditional worm drives. Also, the rocker switch, again, it's included. This lets you control the winch from the seat of your ATV. So it's got a nice push-button design with protective side plates, so that way it doesn't get bumped and damaged from the side. It does have a bracket on there, so if you don't want to mount it to the handlebars, you don't have to. The handlebar mounts are included. This allows you to control line in and line out functions of the winch. The winch also features the free spooling clutch to ensure fast rope payout and reduce wear on the motor. So you just pull this knob out and rotate it, and then you can extend your line out as needed. And then you, to re-engage it, all you have to do is rotate that knob until it kind of clicks back into position. And that's all there is to it. Really nice, easy to use design. On the end of the synthetic rope, we have the forged steel hook with the spring-loaded safety mechanism to prevent accidental disconnecting. It does come with the 40-foot long synthetic rope. It's very strong, lightweight, and safe to handle. We're looking at a heavy-duty CNC machine-built aluminum Haas fairlead. Has the rounded design, so that's going to prevent friction damage to the rope, and that's coated with a black anodized finish to resist rust and corrosion. Universal mount plate, that's included as well. Keep in mind that depending on your application, you might need a custom mount plate, but they do throw in a universal mount plate, so that's included with the winch. We're looking at a durable black powder coated steel body and motor to resist rust and corrosion. Overall, it's a really nice unit. It's very heavily protected, so it's going to stand up well to the elements. 12-volt DC motor. Line pull at 0 pounds is 10.5 feet per minute with a power draw of 12 amps. Line pull at 3,000 pounds, which would be max load, has a line speed of 2.6 feet per minute with a power draw of 130 amps. Gear ratio is 153 to 1. It features the dynamic load holding braking system. When it comes to the battery lead length, you'll notice that you have two different lengths of batteries. Even here on the winch, you have your red post, which is for positive, white is for your negative. And so everything's color coded. You have your red and black cabling. You also have the smaller gauge wires here that are thinner wires that would go to the rocker switch. Tabs on the power unit allow for it to be easily mounted, again, near the ATV battery. So you have the short wires right here, which are designed to go from the power unit to the ATV battery. You have the longer wires, which go from the power unit to the connection points here on the winch. So we have 12-inch long leads and 6-foot long leads. When it comes to the winch itself, it measures 11 and 13/16 inches long by about 4 inches wide. That width increases to about 4 5/16 here at the posts by about 4 1/8 inches tall. The drum on this unit is an 1.25 inch diameter with a length of 2 and 13/16 inches long, and it does feature a 2-bolt mounting pattern. So you have forward and rear. These holes are separated on center by about 3 3/16, 3 1/8 right in that area. That's going to do it for today's look at the Bulldog Winch Powersports Series ATV winch with a rated line pull of 3,000 pounds.